This is a short recording on the computer algebraic system, Maxima. So Maxima is a computer algebraic system. It's a system that you would use like your card. You use your card for drawing. So this is the mathematics equivalent of a card. You can do all your calculations. You can do your computations. You can do all sorts of these maths things using this computer algebra system. So we use this one, the main thing being that when you do the quizzes or whatever, you need to know at least one computer algebraic system. So Maxima is one, and when we do the quizzes, we answer them in some syntax, which is one form or the other. There are several of these computer algebra systems, but Maxima is a versatile system. It has been developed from the 1960s at MIT. So it has been tested and it's open source. You don't need a license to open it. It's open source. There are other ones like Maple, then Mathematica, and a whole lot of other MathCAD and so forth. They are the field of mathematical software is ubiquitous. It means there are quite a lot of these things. So if you pick one and learn it, it's easy to transit from one then to the other. So this Maxima, you can use it in two ways. One, you can use it on a command line system. If you like command line system, if you use Linux systems, like most of us, you will be able to do all these things on a computer on a command line. Type the commands down there on your key using your keyboard and so forth. But some people don't like the command line. They prefer the click and whatever. How to click and a graphic user interface. So the graphic user interface of Maxima is WX Maxima, which is what we are going to use, because I think that will be easy for people to use anyway. But the disadvantage of using a graphic user interface, a GUI, like the one which I've just put up there, is that you will be limited by whoever developed it, what they've put up in there are a limited number of things that they can put up in the menu and so forth. So for Maxima, which is our the WX Maxima, here are the things that we have. So we have a few things about the system, how you open files and so forth. And then you can edit. With your edit, you can do a few things, copy, paste, and so forth. Then you can set how you view it, whether you want it to be scaled, whether you want it to be small, how you display your equations, how you display matrices, and so forth, whether you zoom. Then the third one is about how your Maxima runs itself. So you can make it run. This is about the system itself, how you manage your memory, how you start it, stop it, and the other things. Then it comes to the real mathematics, the mathematics that you can do. One mathematics is good at solving equations. So you can solve algebraic equations, a whole bunch of them. Linear systems, polynomials, algebraic systems. You can also solve these numerical. I think by solving numerical, you get a numerical approximation or a numerical approximation to an equation that you cannot solve exactly. You can solve differential equations. They can be initial value problems where you are given all boundary problems. And for your ODEs, you can even solve them numerical in a numerical way. You can solve the ODEs using what? The Laplace transform method. So equations, that's what you can do on the graphic user with the Maxima. But there are other things that you can do beyond this. If you go to the command line and decide to do, there are a whole lot of things that you can do apart from these, which you can click and solve. Like I mentioned, the limitation is what they've decided to put up, or what they had space to put up, or for any reason. They chose just a few. So here, under matrices, you can do a whole lot of matrices. You can do your computer algebra. The Maxima is just good at that. So you can use matrices. Matrices and lists are the same thing. Matrices and lists are the same thing.